we got the chance here to use this new screed called Ultimate Grade. It's really made everyone's life a lot easier, and it's so easy to use that all your guys are going to be able to use this and always get that same consistent grade over and over again. So they come in a package of 7 and 4 with 3 interchangeable tips, being 50, 60, and 70 mil. So I just want to show you guys how easy this is to actually just grade an area. So if we come on over here, we're going to take the 60 mil tip because we're using a 60 mil paver, and we're just going to set it down here on any grade. And as you can see, our 60 mil tip there fits onto that coping perfectly. We set our bubble here to make sure the water goes to where it's got to go, and all we're doing is sliding the screed along the area. And if you can look, it's always given us the perfect level all the time, and we can actually switch it over on small areas and make sure that our water is always going to go. I think every landscaper should have one of these. It's going to make everybody's life a lot more consistent and a lot more easier.